modern engines, constantly pushing the boundaries of technology and engineering. Smaller, ultra-efficient, and more environmentally friendly, without sacrificing performance. The intense pressures in today's engines cause friction. Friction that can waste up to 10% of an engine's performance. To combat this, Castrol Edge, an advanced full synthetic formula with fluid titanium, transforms the oil structure to be stronger under pressure, keeping the metal apart to reduce friction. High-performance engines also generate extreme heat, but Castrol Edge is 10 times stronger against high-temperature oil thickening than required by the latest industry standard, while also exceeding industry standard requirements for sludge and wear protection. It's the clear choice for consumers who wish to unlock the best performance from their engine. Castrol Edge, stronger under pressure.